Hi guys, welcome back. In the last video we created tabulation sheet method inside the admin controller. Okay, so right now we want to make sure that we create tabulation sheet inside the views folder. Okay, so guys, let's go down to views, admin, right click on admin folder, new file, tabulation sheet.php, enter. Okay, so it's empty. What we want to do is similar to exam mark report. Okay, so I want to open this exam mark report, copy what is inside, okay, and paste it inside the tabulation sheet. Okay, so let's look for exam mark report. Is it okay? Exam mark report. So copy everything and go to tabulation sheet, paste it there. Okay, so let's go back to the terminal report, click on it. So we should see this from awesome, right? So we need to change some things here, and let's go back to that page. Okay, you know what, this JavaScript, we want to get rid of this JavaScript. Okay, so get rid of this style. Okay, so leave this, and here I want to get rid of this for the chat. Okay, so and I want to go to tabulation sheet, tabulation sheet. Okay, so save that. If I save that now, and everything is intact. Okay, so I want to go to admin controller, search for this exam mark report. We want to use the same code. Okay, exam mark report. Let me check again. Okay, you know what, let me confirm the controller. You see that? So the controller, I want to go to report controller. Okay, so report controller, beautiful. So I want to look for exam mark report. Okay, so what I want to do is that I just want to copy everything. Okay, here, you know what, let me copy everything here. Okay, so go back to admin controller. Okay, so let's go to tabulation sheet and replace, but don't forget to change here to tabulation sheet. Okay, so copy that and make sure the page name is correct. Okay, so you can leave the student marks. Okay, and after we search for something, I want to go to admin and I want to pick this method, tabulation sheet. Okay, the same thing goes for the error. Okay, good. So if I save this now and go back to the report card, where are you? Okay, termination. Okay, I mean terminal report, we got error, and let's check the error. You know what, the error is that we do not copy this bracket. Okay, that is why we got errors. Okay, so save that again and refresh. Our page is coming up. So if I click here, select a class, student, get details, ops. Okay, let's go back to this tabulation sheet. Let's go up. Here should be admin. I'm sorry about that. Okay, I didn't observe it. Refresh. Okay, so select exam, select class, select student, get details. Okay, all right, beautiful. So we just want to have a button here, and that button will take us to another page. Okay, where we are going to properly design their report. card for all the students in this class. Okay, so thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.